All right, last one.
Lego model of the Rolls-Royce Phantom. That's 5, 6, 7, 8. Reminds you what luxury is all about.
It's a fun little one.
I was a Lego guy.
Yeah.
Am a Lego guy. Big Lego fan. This one looks quite, what can I say, accurate.
Uh-huh.
It looks like a very accurate Lego, luxurious. Can we get a shot of the interior? I'm curious about that. So, you can go convertible with it as well.
Uh-huh.
So you take it's a hard top convertible because, of course, the bricks are hard.
Yeah, it doesn't fold down.
No folding.
Yeah.
How many pieces is this set? How long is this going to take me to build? 374. That's an easy build.
Yeah.
It's a mini Phantom. That's over breakfast with a coffee.
Yeah, an hour. Maybe.
The design of the Phantom comes with an interchangeability function, offering both a hardtop saloon car or a drophead coupe. The drophead, the famous selection of. Go ahead.
Did you say coupe?
That's how they say it in the UK.
Oh, okay.
See the accent?
Threw me off a bit.
See the accent over the E?
No, I hear you. Yeah.
Yeah.
I just never heard of it when someone said it.
You don't watch enough European car content.
Clearly I don't.
What else do we have? The Lego Rolls-Royce, it's going to cost a few dollars, right? Oh, it's wait a sec. Was just submitted on the Lego Ideas website.
Yeah. So people build it on their own and then they submit their product and it can go into production.
It needs 10,000 supporters. If he gets 10,000 supporters in a certain time frame, then it has a chance to become commercially available. Has to get 100 supporters in the next 60 days. Then he'll get another year to come up with the rest of them. What's complicated about this is then Lego has to go clear it with Rolls-Royce. So that's a tough one, but cool, good for him. He's done well creating it, just I guess using the pieces he has at his available to him.
Mm-hmm. And making, I don't know if they made the moniker here.
I guess you would.
But yeah.
Lego's a whole thing. Did you ever see that Lego documentary? Did you ever watch
Netflix?
That? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a whole thing to it.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, people really, the dedication level, it's out of control.
Yeah.
And I mean in a good way. Lego,
good for them.
Building, build things. Even if all you have is a couple of plastic bricks, you can build.
There you go.